Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In this video I want to address a problem that I had with my Hyundai Tucson, and this is, as you can see from the title of this video, is a strange rattling noise coming from somewhere in this area of the dash. So this was bugging me out for at least 1 year and usually occurs or always occurs when the engine is on and the revs are somewhere between 1900 and 2000 RPMs. I cannot describe it, how it sounds. It's like a mosquito noise coming somewhere from this area here. And I ended up also removing this part of the dash, trying to find the problem, and I was unable to find it. So after a lot of investigation and discussing with a lot of people, I found out that the actual problem is not coming from the dashboard, but from the engine bay or engine area. And it was surprising initially. I didn't believe to be so, but after someone told me what is the actual problem and putting something there to resolve it, I was surprised to see that it works. So today I want to show you what are the brackets that makes this noise. If you have this problem, how to easily resolve it. It's really easy to resolve it, and you will need only a screwdriver and some plastic spacers. I made this spacer out of some plastic. Yeah, as you can see here, it only needs to space out those hose brackets that I will show you immediately, and that's it. Believe me, it will work. So I will insert one of them, and for the second one I will show you what to do. So here we are, and these are the two brackets that I was telling you about. As you can see here, these are bolt fitted, and they have a small wiggle, and due to the vibration of the motor they will wiggle and resonate into the chassis of the car, and it will create your rattling noise. So what I ended up doing, putting this type of spacer between this part here, and for example this is not moving anymore, so you will have to insert it just right here between the bracket and the chassis of the car. It's not easy, it will slide really hard. That's why you need a screwdriver to do it, and believe me, you will not have this problem anymore. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below, and hear you in the next one. Bye bye.